Have you ever looked at a product and thought, this should be selling, this should be getting views, this should be showing up in the search, but instead, almost nobody seems to find it? If you've ever felt like your products are invisible on TPT, you're not alone. I've been selling on TPT for more than 17 years, and one thing I know is this: most visibility problems aren't caused by bad products. They are caused by sellers solving the wrong problem. When sellers notice low views, they often assume they need more products, more keywords, more marketing. Sometimes that's true, but often the real problem is visibility. Teachers can't buy products they never see. And the frustrating part is that many sellers don't realize visibility is declining until sales start dropping. Sometimes the problem is surprisingly simple. Sellers optimize for the words they would use instead of the words teachers are actually searching for. One of the easiest places to spot this is in the TPT search bar itself. You can also use tools like YDP to see what teachers are actually searching for. Other times, competition increases. A keyword that was relatively easy to rank for a few years ago may now be crowded with strong competitors. And sometimes rankings simply decline over time. A product that once appeared on page 1 slowly slips to page 2, 3, or 4. The product hasn't changed, but its visibility has. I've seen this happen in my own store. Recently, while reviewing my data, I discovered that I lost 82 first page keyword rankings. That doesn't mean those products disappeared, but it does mean some of them became harder for teachers to find than they were before. And visibility matters, because when teachers can't find your products, sales become much harder to generate. Here's the mistake I see sellers make all the time. They respond to low visibility by creating more products. But creating more products doesn't automatically increase visibility. If teachers aren't finding your existing products, adding more products may simply create more products that aren't being found. Before creating something new, ask yourself, can teachers actually find what I already have? This is why identifying the right constraint matters. For some sellers, visibility is the biggest issue. For others, visibility is fine, and the real problem is conversion. The solution depends on the actual constraint. Pick one of your best products, then ask, is it getting the traffic I expect? Is it ranking for the keywords I expect? Has visibility changed over time? You may discover the issue isn't the product at all. If you're not sure what is currently limiting growth in your TPT store, download the free TPT Growth Constraint Finder linked below. It will help you identify which systems deserves your attention first. Visibility is only part of the equation. Teachers can't buy products they never see, but sometimes they do see them. They're finding the product, they're clicking on the listing, and they're still not buying. In the next video, we're going to explore why good products still don't sell and what that can reveal about the real constraint in your store. I will see you in the next video.